Alright, YouTube. Got another great piece for you. It's made by the Singer company. Pretty neat. Found it in a storage shed. Let's get it open. Okay, that was heavy. Singer Manufacturing Company. This one was created in 1926. Sewing machine. Pretty neat. Pretty old. Wonderful design. I downloaded the manual. I have the slightest clue in how to use a sewing machine. From my understanding, I believe it still works. Once again, I had the slightest clue on how to use it. I did download the instruction manual from that time frame. I was able to call the Stringer Manufacturing Company. Actually, they're not a they're called Stringer Company now. They took out the manufacturing part of it. But I love it. It's very neat. Very neat. Done a little research on eBay. Another guy was selling one for right at $400. It's not too bad. Alright. Thank you guys on another awesome find.